It's what non-car people don't get. They see all cars as just a ton and a half, 2 tons of wires, glass, metal and rubber. That's all they see. People like you or I know, we have an unshakable belief that cars are living entities. Well, not a Toyota Corolla, obviously, but you can develop a relationship with a car, and that's what non-car people just don't get. There's a guy called Charles Babbage who invented the computer back in the 18th century. He talked about the unerring certainty of machinery. Okay, now the problem you have is that when you have the unerring certainty of machinery, it is a machine. When something has foibles and won't handle properly, that gives it a particularly human quality because it makes mistakes. And that's how you can build a relationship with a car that other people won't get.
What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm gonna do some testing on the new wheel setup. It's not really new. The only thing I added was the front runners in the front. They are 18x5s with a 26x6 tire. Mickey Thompson's all around. Again, I do have drag radius all around because I mainly use this car for daily driving, so whenever it's raining, I don't want to be like cooked. Anyways, we're gonna go do some hits. I think I'm gonna do a second gear and I'm gonna do a third gear to test out the new wheel setup. For those that are new to the channel, this is my 2013 Ford Mustang GT. It's a full bolt-on car, Boss Manny E85, nothing extra, just the passenger seat is out, and I still have the stock clutch, which it locks me out of gear. Hopefully that doesn't happen in this video. But the whole wheel setup, obviously I got 18s in the front and 15s in the back. The back is a 275 60/15. And the front is a 18x5 and the tire is a 26x6 inch tire. Give me a thumbs up. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but looks like there's a lot of cops. I don't know how reliable this is, but alright, I think I'm gonna start with third gear right here because I can see there's no cops. It was gonna lock me out of gear. Oh, there's another cop going that way. Oh yeah, I need to go back home. I think I can do a little second gear right here. Alright YouTube, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for stopping by. Bye. Thanks for watching.